Low sodium folks cannot go to their store or to the bakery and buy prepared desserts. But that doesn't mean we don't want them anymore. My husband has congestive heart failure. His doctor said, John, you got to keep your sodium below this many milligrams every day, starting today. Johnny could get that much sodium in one good helping of dessert. Oh boy, I've been cooking for this man for 58 years. Overnight, had to change my whole way of looking at food. My first thought was, okay, I'm just going to go on the internet and find me a guide. Oh, I couldn't find one. Most of the recipes that I looked at had more sodium than I can use, or had ingredients I just had never heard of before. That tricky sodium hides where we least expect it. It's in my tap water. I am on a mission to keep that man's sodium low and provide him with foods that look good, taste wonderful, and are low sodium. It's really great to just reach in your freezer, pull out this cookie, 1.33 milligrams. This one, less than 2 milligrams. This one, 1.95. These are good size, regular size cookies. Oh, and breads, the fancy breads. Just pull out a slice, less than 13 milligrams. Or this one, 5 by 9-inch loaf pan, the whole loaf, 40 milligrams of sodium. Nice to have things in your freezer you can just pull out. We had a sweet potato pie, but I used that one for Thanksgiving. My low sodium cooking courses are on Udemy. When they're completed, I submit them for review. And the good folks at Udemy go through them, and then they send me an email. I got my email today, and it said, congratulations. Your course, Create Scrumptious, Low-Sodium Desserts with Judy's Recipes, has been published. We have no recommendations. Nicely done. Whoa, that sure makes me feel good. The course has lectures and recipes for making cookies, cakes, pies, and breads, and all throughout are little tips thrown in there to help you lower that sodium. You could be the first person to review my course. In the description for this video is a link. If you click on that, it takes you directly to my course. There are free preview sections in there that you can look at. It doesn't cost you anything. And if that's the course for you, then you can purchase it with that link for $9.99. Once you enroll on it, and this is one of the things I really like about Udemy. Once you enroll, when I add new lectures and recipes from time to time, it goes straight to the course and you get them. My courses are never finished. There's always going to be something out there for me to cook. There's always an idea. Can I do this or can I do that? We just got to keep trying them. I think it's about 13 minutes into the course. You have an opportunity to review it and give me a rating. Then towards the end, you get another opportunity to do that. I would really appreciate your feedback. My goal is to help people who have to lower their sodium to be able to do that and have good food to eat. If I've done that, I'd like to hear about it. If I haven't, any suggestion you have would be appreciated. I thank you in advance for your review. All of my cooking courses and all of my YouTube videos are low sodium. That's because I am Judy, the sodium attacker. Have a wonderful low sodium day.